Hi guys, long story short, I love reading, but I read very slow. So I happen to use the Zagreb City Library services so I can lend books and extend their period, read them and return them. The problem that I ran into on their website was the fact that I had to go to two websites until I reach the login section and check when I have to return my books or prolong them. So I decided to do a quick redesign on how you can get the app which they recently created and the web application and the mobile version into one specific place, where is the catalog of the books available, hardcover and ebooks, and also where you can get exactly on the main page in the hero section a leading path to the registration and login. So that's it. That was my problem. I really wanted to do something different about the layout. And if you noticed, I used the HTML to Figma plugin so I can see what was the old version. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoy these kind of videos and let me know what problem do you want to solve in the future. Thank you for watching and bye!